Kaying kasari ha kasaw terik unaitung kala aipor sakhat saw sngi ha judicial custody ya ka Sonam bat Raj namar ki pulit kidang don kam ban Tohkit benya ikini arngut halor ke jingsha penyap uraja Raghuvanshi. Ya kini layat hu do Tushar Chanda assistant public prosecutor ha kilat pathai Khubor ha kasaw terik unaitung.
Sonam and that Raj. So their production was taken place through VC. IOS prayed for 14 days judicial custody. So court, after hearing the parties, again remanded them for 14 days judicial custody.
So the police don't want them in the police custody.
Yes, you see, in the forwarding report, there is a prayer for. There is not a prayer. There is a paragraph mentioned that IO may ask for police custody. Okay, so for the interest of investigation, IO may file a formal petition before the Honorable Court if he requires further police custody for the accused. Then we will see to it.
Okay, in the video conferencing, how does it happen?
Video conferencing, they were produced, they were brought in the camera. So magistrate asked their well-beings, everything, they are all fine. Then magistrate asked whether they want to say anything. They said no, we don't want to say anything. So after hearing that forwarding report given by the IO, the legal aid also there. So after hearing, they were remanded as usual as per the procedure for 14 days further judicial custody.